Welcome to this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. Today I'm going to make a beautiful, fragrant goat in red curry sauce. And the ingredients for that beautiful goat dish are as follows: goat meat, red curry paste, onions, garlic, ginger or galangal, lemongrass, chilies, lime leaves, curry leaves, coriander, chicken stock, potatoes, coconut milk, Thai fish sauce, oil and shrimp paste. Now, first thing up, I'm going to brown off my goat, which has been marinating already for 24 hours in the red curry paste. So, oil. Goat. Want to get that nice and brown on all sides. Just give them a stir. That smells amazing. Oh, I love goat. Oh. And I'm in the Caribbean right now, and goat is all over the place. Amazing. Goat isn't eaten everywhere in Thailand. You'll normally find goat in the northern countries. Gosh, I can't wait to try this. Woo. Thai, stinky, smelly shrimp paste. I love this stuff. Absolutely honky skunks. Honestly, smells like your worst socks. Not that my socks ever get that bad, but you can just imagine. But you know, I mean, once it's cooked off, don't get the smell. The flavours just really, that really makes a difference in this dish. It may stink your house out. So, if you have the option to cook outside, I suggest you do so. Or cook while your neighbours are out if you're living in a condominium. I'm pretty sure you'll get some complaints. Oh, silicone Sherlock, eh? Silicone Sherlock. Lemongrass. Onions. Lots of garlic. One chili. I'm not making this one too spicy. I've got here lime leaves and curry leaves mixed together, ginger, the aromas on this are simply incredible. I'm in goat heaven, can't wait to try this. Already, I mean, the smells, the aromas, it's just really super. I mean, just what you put into that is very simple, but it has an incredible effect on the curry. It's amazing. Chicken stock. I'm going to leave that to bringing it to the boil first, and I'm going to leave it to simmer for approximately 2 hours. I really want this to reduce until the stock is reduced by 3/4. So this has been simmering away, as you can see, nicely reduced with my coconut milk. And potatoes. Leave the potatoes to cook for approximately 5 minutes. dashes of Thai fish sauce, not too much. And that, my friends, is ready for serving. Oh, Ooh. Right. Some fresh coriander sprinkled around. And how easy was that, folks? Very, very simple. There you go, Charlie. Try this one. Is it good? Hmm? Do you know what you're eating? Oh. The goat. Okay, you're eating goat.
Baby goats are big.
No, a big goat. Wonderful. Nice. Mild. Spiced. I love the full flavour of goat. And this really complements very nice with the curry, the ginger, the garlic. Simply wonderful. I love this dish. Really, really love it.
This is the best dish ever.
Best dish ever. There you have it. And you know Charlie, she's brutally honest. These recipes come from my Thai cookbook called the Thai Cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. Over 100 recipes in this book, with journeys of my life through Thailand, as I did some diaries as I traveled through Thailand on my motorbike with over 60-70 trips on over a 6-year period, and I learned most of these dishes along the way. And some of them have my own little touch to it, but generally they're all authentic. And the curry paste too. Met some incredible people, as you always do when you travel. Also, there's some hairy, scary stories of my life as a chef, having to deal with some corrupt and disgruntled suppliers and death threats and snakes in the office and all that stuff. It's all in there, folks, so check it out. You can purchase the book by clicking on the chef shop icon at the end of the video, and also the chef merchandise also on the same chef shop icon. So thanks for watching, folks. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. New videos every week, so please subscribe by clicking here right over my shoulder. Bon appetit, folks.